Get ready. Start. Being some of the accused, along with 152 others involved in what is popularly known as Coimbatore bomb blast case, the petitioners have prayed for the transfer of case PRC number 54 of 1998 pending in the court of FCJ Magistrate Court, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu entitled State vs. Abdul Nazir Madani and others to any sessions court in the state of Kerala allegedly on the ground of there being no possibility of fair trial in the state of Tamil Nadu. It is alleged that in the state of Tamil Nadu, both Hindu and Muslim fundamentalists are inciting trouble, which has surcharged the communal atmosphere in that state, making the conduct of the fair trial impossible. It is apprehended that the witnesses will not be in a position to give evidence without fear or favor. The petitioner Abdul Nazir Madani has referred to some attack on him by RSS cadre during August 1992 as a consequence of which he sustained injuries which ultimately resulted in the amputation of his right leg. He has two children aged 4 and 1 year old and a wife from a very poor family. He claims to be the founder of Al Amwar Islamic Madrasa and Orphanage in Kollam district in Kerala, where about 280 orphans are stated to be studying, for whose day-to-day expenses an amount of rupees 2050 is required, which is not possible to procure in his absence. He has further claimed to be the leader of an organization named Islamic Sangh Seva, which, according to him, was a social and cultural organization. The said organization is stated to have been declared as unlawful organization in the state of Kerala after the demolition of Babri Masjid. Thereafter, the said petitioner is stated to have organized a party named People's Democratic Party. He submits that there exists a feeling generally in Tamil Nadu, Chennai, and Coimbatore that the petitioner was an ISI Pakistani intelligence service agent who was responsible for the bomb blasts in the city of Coimbatore in Tamil Nadu. It is alleged that a popular opinion appears to have been formed that no patriotic lawyer from Tamil Nadu would appear and plead the case of the petitioners, as they thought it as anti-national, and due to intimidation by the police intelligence wing, lawyers are not willing to take up their briefs. On their behalf, some advocates from Kerala are stated to have visited Coimbatore and Chennai with a request to local lawyers there to cooperate with the petitioners and conduct their cases, but all of them are stated to have refused. It is submitted that, being a well-known political leader in the state of Kerala, the respondents have falsely implicated petitioner Madani with others in the criminal cases. When Sri L.K. Advani, the then president of Bharatiya Janata Party, was to address election meeting at R.S. Puram, Coimbatore city, the whole of the city and its suburbs were hit by a series of 12 powerful bomb blasts, killing 47 persons and injuring 218 persons, apart from causing extensive damage to the properties owned primarily by a particular section of the society. The high-intensity bombs, improvised explosive devices, exploded all over the city and its suburbs, including near the venue of the public meeting. The bomb blasts were targeted at some specified congregations and their establishments. Sri L.K. Advani was planned to be targeted by Suicide Squad members armed with instantaneous type bombs tied to their waists and throw type bombs, which however could not materialize since neither the members of the suicide squad charged with the task could penetrate the police cordon and reach near the public meeting place, nor Sri Advani was available at the targeted place at the scheduled time due to delay of his flight. The blasts had been planned and executed by the Muslim fundamentalists organization named Al Ummah, headed by S.A. Basa, co-accused number 1 in the case, allegedly as a brutal answer retaliation to the killing of 18 Muslims in communal riots and police firing and extensive damages to the Muslim properties following the stabbing to death of a traffic police constable Silvaraj at Okkadam, Coimbatore on 29/11/1997. Stop.